Check out this rare and unique find in the heart of desirable Farragut living at 12707 Golden Fox Lane. On a cul-de-sac, this one-owner custom-built home sits on a half-acre lot, offering 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, and 2 half-baths for over 6,000 square feet of luxury living space. Beneath an impressive 2-story ceiling is this family room, centered by a gas log stone fireplace. You have a great vantage view from the loft. Check out this most impressive kitchen. With granite countertops, custom cabinetry, a luxury side-by-side freezer and refrigerator, gourmet 6-burner gas stovetop with built-in microwave, just to name some of the amenities. There's plenty of pantry storage as well, and the formal dining room will make for great times with friends. Take an easy access to the screen porch, as well as the 900 square foot back deck for comfortable evenings out under those East Tennessee stars. This sitting area is your grand entrance to the master bedroom. It's the first of 5 and includes the first of 2 laundries. Complete with an ensuite bath, you have access to the private balcony for great quiet time. The other 2 upper-level bedrooms boast a Jack and Jill style bathroom for added convenience. And of course, all your bedrooms provide comfort and space for every family member or guest. Even a cozy office in the lower level for extra privacy. It's the start of so many features in the basement level. Finish with a large living area which opens to your porch and backyard, and the storage here is tremendous. But what makes this multi-generational home extra special is a complete separate section. This 1,800 square foot 3-level in-law suite even features its own entrance for added privacy. It offers up a family room, dining and kitchen, laundry room, and its own master bedroom and bath, along with a half bath. We've included 2 bonus rooms as well. Custom built with a host of tremendous amenities throughout, like real attic storage, groomed landscaping throughout, a spacious 4-car garage, and so much more. The potential with this home is limitless. Schedule your private tour of 12707 Golden Fox Lane now. Call Melissa Moree at the Blevins Group of Realty Executives Associates direct at 865-999-HOME.